Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Island Beauty and I'm back with another video. In today's video, I will be doing this fall makeup glam, smoky eye glam. This is so pretty. You guys are gonna love this look. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure and give the video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each and every time I post. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Hey loves, so I'm starting off with one eye already done and my eyebrows done. I'm using the James Charles palette for my eyes today. And I'm also using a Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. And for my eye primer, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I'm really loving this primer for my eyeshadows lately. So I'm just going to use my brush and I'm just going to blend this out. And then I'm going into that light brown shade from the James Charles palette and I'm going to use that as my transition color. And the brush I'm using is the BH Cosmetics brush. And then I'm going with the darker brown shade that's right after that one. And I'm going to apply that right on top of that. And for the smokiness, I'm going to use that black shadow from the James Charles palette. And I'm just going to apply that to the outer corner with my flat brush. And then I'm going to go in and blend it. And then I'm cutting my half crease with the Anastasia eye primer. This is really good for cutting your crease. I really have to say that. Like, it's really good. I think I'll use this over my concealer. Just saying. Alright, and I'm taking that gold shimmer shade from the James Charles palette and I'm just going to pat that right where I applied that eye primer. And just for a little more pizzazz, I'm taking that cold shade, I believe it's Zam from the Jackie Aina palette. And I'm just going to tap that right where I put the other gold shadow. And now I'm taking my blending brush, the same one I used for my transition color. I'm just going to smoothen up the edges. For my face primer, you guys already know, I'm loving the Milk Makeup Primer. The Hydro Good Primer, I've been using this a lot. And I had to get a bigger bottle, okay? For my foundation today, I'm trying out the Jackie Aina collab with Too Faced foundation. I'm in the shade Chai. I'm just going to apply this. This foundation blends so seamlessly, and I love it. Like, can we look at that smooth finish? Oh my gosh. So smooth. For my concealer today, I'm pairing it with the Too Faced concealer, the Multi-Sculpting concealer. And this is in the shade Maple for everybody that wants to know. And I'm just going to apply it where I normally highlight, under my eyes, nose, chin, and my forehead. And I like to apply the Mary Badescu spray, especially coming down to winter, just for a little dewy look. And then I'm going to blend it with my Morphe brush. I still haven't got a name of this brush, y'all. I'm still working on it. And after going in with my brush, I like to go over it with the sponge, just, smoothing it out a little bit. For my setting powder, I'm using my Fenty Beauty setting powder and honey. Alright, loves, and for my contour, as usual, this is a staple, my Black Radiance contour palette, medium to dark, and I'm just going to contour. And you want to make sure you get that chin, because you don't want to look crazy. And it's been a minute since I contoured my nose, so I just felt like it needed to be with this look today. Okay, so I contoured my nose using the same shade from the contour palette. And I'm just going over it with a powder brush just to, get rid of the harsh lines. And I'm going back in with that darker brown shade, and I'm just going to use that just for my under eye shadow. And the brush I'm using for this is a Morphe pencil brush. And for my inner corner, I went in with the shade Zam, and I just applied that to my inner corner. For my highlight, I'm using my Glow Kit by Anastasia Beverly Hills and Sunkissed, and I'm using a brown shade, and I'm just highlighting. And as usual, I go back in with my powder brush just to smoothen it out so it doesn't look too harsh. For my mascara, my staple mascara, my Backyard Bang mascara by Benefit Cosmetics. Alright, and for my lip liner, I'm using this Wet n Wild brown pencil to line my lips. And for my lipstick, I'm using the NYX lipstick. I gotta put the shade in the description. I think I forgot which one it is, but I'll put it in the description for you guys. Alright, and I'm setting my face with my new staple product, my Morphe setting spray. And yes, I applied a whole lot of this. And that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and don't forget to subscribe.
Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. Oh, 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 oh. I'm losing control.